If you're seeing something went wrong error on X while loading tweets, replying, or even just scrolling, don't panic. Here's how to fix it quickly on your iPhone. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a weak or unstable connection. Next, force close the X app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and find the X app, then swipe it away. After that, reopen it. Then make sure the app is updated. Open the App Store and search for X, then tap on Update if it's available. After that, restart your iPhone. This helps clear out minor glitches that may be interfering with the app. Now, clear access storage data, and for that, go to your device's settings and then tap on General followed by iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and tap on X, then choose Offload app. Reinstall it afterward and log in again. If it's still not fixed, try logging in from a browser like Safari or Chrome at x.com. If it works there, the app itself is likely the issue. And that's all. Follow these steps and your X account should be back to normal. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.